Hello children, good morning. And in yesterday's class, we have studied about the importance of photosynthesis and why photosynthesis is called as basic life process and a balanced equation for photosynthesis and what are all the requirements for photosynthesis. And yesterday we have studied about the importance, how do the plants get water, carbon dioxide and light, all these things, and importance of light, which light ray is important for photosynthesis, that we have seen in yesterday's class. And today we shall see where actually the process of photosynthesis takes place. So where it takes place, that is in green part of the plant. So where actually the green part is present in plants, mostly in the leaves. So leaves contain green color. Why do the leaves look green in color? Because of the presence of a pigment which is called as chlorophyll. And where the chlorophyll is present and where in which organelle the chlorophyll is present, and that is chloroplast, and where the chloroplasts are present in the leaves, that we shall say. So before studying the internal structure of leaf, so we shall see the external structure of a leaf. So what is the external structure of leaf? Let us have a look at it. So imagine it is the branch of a plant, and this is a nodal part from which a leaf arises, and the stalk, this is the stalk of the leaf, and this is, you might have seen a leaf, so that is leaf. And so in the middle of the leaf you can see a deep groove line, thick line, and from which smaller lines arise, and these again they divide further and they occupy the entire portion of the leaf. Okay, so what are these lines? So that we shall come to know. So these are all the things. They occupy the entire portion of the leaf. So now this is called, so the stalk of the leaf. Stalk of the leaf is called petiole. Is called petiole. And the expanded part of the leaf is called lamina. It is called lamina. And the deep line which is present in the middle of the leaf is called midvein or midrib. Midvein or midrib. From the midvein, so many smaller lines appear. They are called as veins. They are called as veins. These veins further divide into smaller lines which are called as veinlets. So this is the external structure of leaf. So first of all, what is petiole? Petiole is a stalk of the leaf which gives mechanical support to the leaf, and it helps the leaf to bend in such a way that it gets maximum sunlight, so that maximum photosynthesis will take place. That is the function of petiole. And the expanded part of the leaf is called lamina. In the lamina, you can see deep line which is called as midvein. From the midvein, so many veins arise. From the veins further divide into veinlets. So these midvein, veins and veinlets, they contain transport tissue. Transport tissue which is called xylem and phloem. So these xylem and phloem, they are called transport tissues. So first, how do they transport and what do they transport? That we shall see. Xylem is the complex tissue which carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. From the roots to the leaves. And so how it conducts means xylem is a complex tissue which contains xylem parenchyma, xylem sclerenchyma, xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, etc. And the water is transported upwards from roots to upper part of the plant. And what is phloem? Phloem is another conductive tissue which contains companion cells, phloem vessels, phloem parenchyma, etc. And phloem transports synthesized food material which is synthesized in the leaf. So the phloem will transport to synthesized food material from leaves to various parts of the plant. Xylem transports water and minerals from roots to the leaves. Phloem transports synthesized food materials where the food is synthesized in the leaves. It transports the food materials from the leaf to various parts of the plant. So that is the importance of xylem and phloem. Okay, so here this is the external structure of leaf. And if we want to know why the leaves look green in color, that is because of the pigment chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in cell organelle which is called as a chloroplast. And where the chloroplasts are present, that is the question. So to know the structure of a chloroplast and the location of the chloroplast in the leaf, we have to study the internal structure. So this is the external structure. We have to study the internal structure of a leaf. So in the internal structure of leaf, we see various parts, different parts and different functions of different tissues. So that is, we can see, that means we have to take a leaf which is thinly cut and it is observed under the microscope so that we can find different parts of the leaf and the location and how these parts are arranged in a particular way which help in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so let us see. In tomorrow's class, we shall see the internal structure of leaf and also structure of chloroplast and how the process, where the process of photosynthesis takes place. Okay, that's all for today and we shall continue in tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you.